I'll move to the
Free account, yeah.
free account. So here we can add two indicators in the free account. So we have limitation. So you have to go to the indicator tab. You can click on the indicator tab and suppose if I want to add EMA, then I'll write down moving average exponential. So in the technicals, you see this name moving average exponential. You can add to favorite it so that from the next time you it will be visible under favorites. Okay. So once you click on moving average exponential, so I can see the indicator over here. So if I see the indicator in the chart, that means it is applied over the chart and you can see the blue line in the chart. So this is the 9 EMA. Okay. Again, for the if I want to change the indicator settings, for example, if I want to see the 20 EMA, then I'll go to settings in the indicator. I'll change the length to 20. And suppose if I want to change the color of the line, then I'll go to style and I'll change the color to suppose red and I'll add some thickness to the line from here and I'll click on OK. Again, if I want these changes to be saved, then I can click on save as defaults so that every time when I open the EMA, the changes will be retained. Okay. So this is how you can apply simple indicators. Okay. We can apply maybe RSI as well. So if I press RSI, you will see under technicals relative strength index, you can click on it and the RSI is visible. So most of the people use the default value of the RSI itself. So if anybody want to change the default value, you can change it from here. And most of the people use the RSI upper band and lower band as a 60/40. So maybe you can change it from here 60 and 40. And if you don't want the middle bar, RSI middle bar, you can hide it and you can again save as default and click on OK. So all the changes will be visible over here. Okay, clear?
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah.
I think you mentioned about in the free plan, how many indicators can a person add to?
Only two indicators are visible in the free plan. So if I try to add one more indicator, so it won't allow me to add.
Okay,
Okay.
sounds good. And the last